Now, guys, you need to add a second slide. So as if, okay, so you already have your title page, which is this one. You have your first page, and then I need you to do another one, okay? So I've already done something on hurricanes. I will continue working on hurricanes, but I'm gonna maybe this time, I'm gonna still talk about hurricanes, but I'm gonna talk about a specific hurricane, okay? So I'm gonna go on Google. I'm gonna type in famous hurricanes because they always have a name, okay? So Hurricane Katrina. Okay, so I'm gonna do my second slide on Hurricane Katrina. Okay, so again, I just need to get my info, which is by typing into Google. So Hurricane Katrina. Right, it gave me a Wikipedia page, so perfect. A hurricane was the costliest tropical cyclone on record, tied with hurricane causing. Okay, I'm gonna copy this. I really like this piece of information, so so once again, what I did was copy or select all of them, right click, copy, and then right click, paste. Okay, so for example, I don't really like the color of this font, so I'm just gonna click on black, make sure it's black. I don't really like it underlined, but I can't seem to be able to um, undo that. But anyway, I'm gonna split this text into um, 2 bullet points, okay? And I am going to, so this is it. Okay, this time I'm going to put it on the right. This is all up to you guys. You can change fonts, you can change colors, like it's up to you. If I want, I can change the color of Hurricane Katrina, so I can put it in red. Okay, it's all up to you. The design is all up to you. And again, I'm going to go on YouTube. And I'm going to write in Hurricane Katrina. Again, guys, look for short videos, 2-3 minutes max. Hurricane Katrina. Okay, search. Okay, what is this? How long is this video? Okay, it's not really showing me how long these videos are for some reason, but I'm just gonna refresh because YouTube is playing up a little bit. Okay, and it's still not showing the times. Okay, let's go on different browser. Hurricane Katrina. Perfect, it's showing up here. This one is 5 minutes. Try, oh, brilliant. This one is under 3 minutes. So I'm just gonna choose mine. Okay, we have the advertisement as usual. All right, okay, gonna stop it here. One click, then right click, copy, and then you just have to open that YouTube video downloader. Again, the link is in the PowerPoint, and then right click, paste, download. And don't forget, guys, we need to scroll down, okay? And click on this link, okay? Please don't click on these 2 buttons. It's this one, okay? There we go, download. I'm not sure what happened here, so I'm gonna try again. Okay, it says here to download, right click on the download button. So right click and then save target as. There we go. video 2, and I'm gonna save it into downloads. Okay, open folder. Let me see if it's been downloaded. Yes, indeed, it's been downloaded. Now I go back to my PowerPoint presentation, insert video on my PC, downloads. I saved it as video 2, and it's not coming up for some reason. So, oh, there it is. Insert. Okay, perfect. So now I have 2 slides with 2 videos, and that's what you have to do. You have to have 1 title page and 2 slides. If you want to do more slides with more videos, you can. However, don't make it too long. Record a video and submit it on ClassDojo. What do you have to do on ClassDojo? Just present it, okay, like this. All right. Okay, play the video. Okay, just play, sorry, just play a couple of seconds from the video, like 10 to 20 seconds from the video. No need to play it all, because if you play it all, your video will end up being very long. So just show us a couple of seconds from the video. If you want, read out the information you put in, and that's all you have to do. Submit it on ClassDojo as a video. All right, guys, thank you so much, and looking forward to next week's ICT videos, lessons. All right, bye.